Okay, this primary I wanted insulated behind this plastic. It did have a plumbing issue and a leak. We do have stucco repairs on the other side that's already been repaired. The stucco repairs are not premium, so make sure we go back out there and refeather out the stucco repairs.
Cooler walls, a flawless coat. We're the team that makes it float. It's the pride of the Tigers, the will to be bold. Crafting your vision with colors of gold. With power and skill, we're setting the tone. We paint like it's ours, we make it your home. We're paint Tigers, where you belong. On time with fire, we answer the call. One stroke at a time, we give it our all. We're paint Tigers, where you belong.